Let's join to Akira 99. Hi guys. Akira is voice, guys. Where are you? I'm gonna wait you first. Oh, why Akira? I'm gonna join Akira. Hi guys. And hi guys, I'm Blue. Hi guys, I'm Pink. Talim ka kasi. And we are Color Squad. Let's go. Wait. There are so many people. Why it's so many playing? Here, key. Two. Ayos. I love you. Hi guys, let's play 99 nights. Wait for me, I'm lagging. Sorry guys if they have a sound over here because they are a TV over here. Right? Now I'm here, I'm not lagging now. Kira, let's chop a tree. Oh no, I missed the Easter. Yes. This was over there, the Easter one. I'm gonna start this. Now I have 3. Now this is all I got. I'm gonna store this on campfire. Okay. I'm here now. Hi. Oh, mine. Chop a tree. Chop a tree. Wait, I am lagging. You're lagging. Oh my god. Help me, I'm lagging. Wait, I'm gonna go outside. Okay. You're not lagging? No. You're not lagging now? And I'm gonna buy this. Wait guys. Wait for my friend guys. So guys, hi. That's my friend. She was home. That's her now. She wants to go to her bed. To the bedroom. She will go to the bedroom. My friend. That's my friend. And then I forgot that. Now, let's go to play now. Wait. Okay. Now I'm gonna wait here for. Let's go. It's night approaching. Sorry, but I can't speak English. Okay, I'm gonna English now. Oh, I see a wood over here. Oh, night is approaching. Oh my god, we need to. Where is a deer? That's our. Hey, our this is now. We need the wood. Okay. We have a wood. This wood. That's mine. Okay, sorry. Oh my god, this is super dark. That I'm super scared. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm so scared to the deer. I'm super scared. Yes. Now I'm gonna go. I'm gonna buy this. What's your buy? Oh, the deer. Okay, bye. Here in the supply. Here is the supply. This. You're good. We need to eat. Yes. We're gonna eat this carrot. No, that's mine. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this. I don't know what is this mean. This. What's We need to survive the missing kid over there. You see it? Yeah, let's go. Just go. Go in there. Go in here. But it's night. Let's be your location. No, it's... That... Oh my god. Oh, dear. We get it. That is the missing kid. His name is Dino Kid. Now let's go. We need to find she. Where are you? I'm over here. I'm there. Let's find. Where you're lagging? I don't know. Wait, we need some. Okay. Wait, I'm lagging. Where are you lagging? The bunny food. Bunny food. No, I can reach that. Now I eat a carrot. Super yummy. Napunta ka dito. Shh, don't speak. Okay, I don't like that. I'm gonna stay in here today. Bye. I'm not gonna stay. I'll just over here. Lagging. Wait for me, okay? I'm lagging. Sorry. I'm lagging. Bro, I'm lagging. I just lagging for no reason. I'm lagging for no reason. See, I'm lagging. I don't like this. Oh, you have those? I'm gonna give you this. Wait me. Okay, I'm gonna wait you here. Go before it's night. Okay. It's night approaching. You need that flashlight. Where are you? I'm lagging. Oh! Wait, where is Wait, you are over there. Where are you? Over there? No, the campfire is almost out because you. Go. Let's chop a tree. Sorry, but I lagging. Okay. Go. It's almost Help 15, me. 14. Help me. Sorry, I'm lagging. Wait. I'm gonna test it. Oh, right, it's approaching. Go, you need it. Store. Go. Yes. Go. It's almost 10. 10 now, 10. Go. Yes. I'm super scared of that one. Ooh, I don't like to be, I'm gonna flashlight. Hey, that's my flashlight, right? No, where is this flashlight? Give me now. Now I'm not. I don't like. Somewhere deep in the forest. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, guys. I am super scared. Yes, guys, Akira is scared. Why are you stop? Nothing. Because I'm boring. We need some wood, arrows. Okay, let's go. Hey, you know that's mine. I'm digging it. See, that's mine. I told you it's mine. And I'm gonna plant this. What's your plant? The tree. Okay. Oh, the sketchy Celeste one. Oh, who is that person? I don't know. Oh, what is this sound? Go. The campfire. Day 3. I build a map. Kira! What is that? A chest! Let's go! Just open it. Open it, the chest! Okay, I'm gonna open. Look over there. They say keep out. Oh, bandage! Oh, I like this. Oh, wait, it's so good store. Oh, this is for I see you for the map. You're over there. Go! The campfire was over. Oh my goodness. Kira! Why? Let's ride my cart. A cart. Wait for me. Okay. Because I'm lagging. Where are you? I'm lagging. Sorry, I don't like to go. Okay, let me go. Wait for me. Okay, if I die, you gotta give me some bandage. Oh my god. Don't go over there. Kira, close. I told you. They said keep out. Oh, the coal. Keep it. Wait, I'm gonna store. Keep it. Where the bandage? I broke it. There. Oh, it's over here. I see it. Okay. Can you give me some food, Eros? Because I am super hungry now. Oh, the campfire is almost out. Go, because I don't like to go because I'm super lagged in this game. Star? This is the bandage. The bandage was over there. You see it? Where? Over there. Over there? Oh, okay. You see it now? Office of Go. The night was approaching. They have no item. Kira! Why? Kira! Go! I'm hungry now! You give me some food. Oh. You need some flashlight. You too. You need it. Somewhere deep in the forest. Oh no! Oh no! That is the Dynakid. This. Eat this. Okay. I need more energy. So that's what Kira, in day 4, let's find the Dynakid. Okay. But you find it because I am lagged. Okay. I am stuck over here because I am super lagged. Where is my hair? I don't know to you, you don't. Okay. I don't have a hair. Because you are... I'm so fond of you. Badoo. This is the map. I can see you if you're over there. Bye. You see me? Yes, you're over there. Oh, this people now. Kira, I find the Dino Kid. Where? Wait now, for me. Okay. Now you find the Dino Kid. If the night's approaching, you need this. Yes. Okay. Right? If there is the deer, you need to flash that light for him. Oh! On his face. Right. Kira, help me! It's so many wolves. You. Sorry, but I love you. Okay. Let's just go. Okay. Where are you? I'm over here. Okay. Let's. Where are you? Me. Yes. Okay. Wait, where? Where is it? I think we are. I know. There was a wolf. I'm hungry. Hey, I'm hungry. Okay. You are need to eat too. Oh, I'm fine. A carrot. You need to eat too. I'm fine. A carrot. Now eat. Where are you? I cannot see. Oh, over there. Oh. You need to swim over here. Because you are blue. You are blue. And the water was blue. I see a fish over there. Where? Over here. Over here? Over here? Over here. Oh, I see. Oh, I'm hungry. Me. Oh my god. Let's go to our campfire because they say we gotta attack tonight. Oh no, I am ready. You're ready? You're ready? Wait! Oh! Attack! You need to ready now. I gotta ready the flashlight. Okay. What do you ready? I'm gonna ready this. Yeah. Oh my god. We have so many. Wait, it's so many. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna die now. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm dying. Oh, I'm dying. Sorry, but I'm gonna bandage you. No. Oh, sorry. Help me, I'm dead now. my god, I'm dead now. Wait for me, Kira. Okay. I'm fine. Bandage. Oh! Oh! The wolf! Go jump!